Russell. I'm Digitalisation Manager for manufacturing, and I lead up a team of specialists that look after digitalisation, automation and robotics in the factory. It's a great privilege to be recognised and be part of such a diverse cohort of inspiring and talented leaders, but particularly interesting for me is it's been a really good opportunity to benchmark that we're doing the right things here at UNEX, and to have 3 of us in the top 100 is an incredible feat. I think the key attributes is definitely just taking a step back, creating plans, and particularly I joined the role over 2 years ago now, and we found that there's a million and one things out there that you can do to digitalise, but it has to be scalable to your business. So for me to come in, develop our strategy, get a roadmap going, that's really sort of been the key to how we've got to where we are today. Sounds really cheesy, but the biggest influence for me is Iron Man. I think since being a little kid, seeing someone that could create superpowers out of technology has always put me into the career of being an engineer and working within manufacturing. Definitely joining this role 2 years ago, it was sort of peak pandemic, and it was really challenging joining not only a new industry but also moving into a line management position. And I think sort of those challenges of really getting to know the team and being impactful while working completely virtual was quite challenging. So the way we overcome that was, again, taking a step back, sort of really working on meaningful, impactful conversations with people and understand the business inside and out, and just not rushing into things. The biggest change for me has definitely been how seriously we take data. It's always been there in the background in some shape or form, but we've really sort of worked out what we need and try and get it all in one place, and we're taking it a lot more seriously around how we visualise that data and how we act on it.